Imagine walking into your home and being greeted not just by music, but by intelligence that feels almost invisible. A speaker that doesn't simply push out sound, but studies the room, adapts to it, and responds to you with near-human speed. For the past 5 years, the HomePod Mini has held the crown in the compact smart speaker space. Its spherical design became iconic, its sound shocked people for its size, and its tight integration with the Apple ecosystem made it a staple for millions of homes. But technology does not stand still. While artificial intelligence has accelerated at an almost frightening pace and wireless standards have evolved, the current model is still powered by hardware introduced back in 2019. In technology terms, that is practically ancient. That is why the rumored Apple HomePod Mini 2 feels less like a routine refresh and more like a generational leap. According to supply chain whispers, developer beta discoveries, and performance projections, Apple is preparing a transformation that touches nearly every core component of the device. This isn't about changing the fabric color or slightly boosting volume output. This is about rebuilding the brain of the speaker from the inside out and redefining what a compact smart home hub can be. At the center of this overhaul is the Silicon. The original HomePod Mini runs on the S5 chip, the same processor that powered the Apple Watch Series 5. At the time, it was efficient and capable, but today it struggles to keep up with the rising demands of on-device AI processing. The next generation model is expected to jump to an S10 or even S11 class processor. That leap represents not just incremental improvement, but a massive expansion in computational headroom. With a more advanced neural engine and faster CPU cores, the speaker would be able to process voice commands, environmental data, and audio adjustments simultaneously without breaking a sweat. Why does that matter in a speaker? Because modern smart speakers are no longer just about playing songs. They are environmental computers. With an upgraded chip, computational audio becomes dramatically more advanced. The speaker can analyze reflections, wall distances, and surface materials hundreds of times per second. Place it on a wooden shelf, and it subtly reshapes the bass to avoid muddiness. Move it to a marble countertop, and it compensates for reflective brightness. Instead of a one-size-fits-all sound profile, you get adaptive tuning that feels custom-built for every corner of your home. The biggest beneficiary of this silicon jump is Siri. For years, users have tolerated the slight delay between asking a question and seeing that swirling light respond. Much of that lag came from cloud processing. With a newer chip and expanded neural capabilities, the HomePod Mini 2 is expected to handle most voice commands directly on the device. That means when you ask to dim the lights or set a timer, the response is nearly instantaneous. There is no digital round trip to remote servers for basic tasks. This shift does not just improve speed, it dramatically enhances privacy. Your voice data stays local whenever possible, reducing exposure and reinforcing Apple's long-standing privacy-first narrative. Connectivity is another area where the next generation could make a decisive leap. The addition of a next-gen wireless chip with Wi-Fi 6E support would open access to the 6 GHz spectrum. In homes packed with smart TVs, laptops, gaming consoles, and security cameras, congestion can be a real problem. Wi-Fi 6E offers a less crowded lane, enabling higher bandwidth and lower latency. For high-resolution, lossless audio streaming, that stability matters. Music flows without hiccups, and multi-room playback becomes smoother than ever. In busy households, that reliability could be the difference between frustration and seamless automation. The ultra-wideband upgrade is equally significant. With a newer U2 chip inside, handoff between your iPhone and speaker becomes more precise. Walk into a room while playing music on your phone, and the speaker detects your proximity with uncanny accuracy. The transition feels almost magical, as if the sound simply migrates from your pocket into the air around you. It is small details like this that elevate a product from functional to delightful. One criticism of the first-generation Mini was the absence of advanced room sensing found in its larger sibling. Shrinking that technology into a smaller chassis was a challenge. Now, rumors suggest Apple has refined the sensor array and microphone coordination to bring spatial awareness into the compact form factor. By measuring echoes and acoustic signatures, the speaker can simulate a much wider soundstage. Pair two units in stereo mode, and the effect becomes immersive. For apartment dwellers or minimalist homeowners who prefer not to clutter their living spaces with bulky soundbars, this could offer a powerful alternative at a fraction of the cost. Design-wise, Apple rarely abandons a successful formula. Expect the same spherical silhouette and mesh exterior that define the original. However, refinements are anticipated. The touch surface may extend further to the edges, with a brighter and more expansive LED waveform. Siri interactions could look more vivid and futuristic, turning the top of the speaker into a subtle ambient light feature during use. New color options, including a deeper midnight blue and possibly a darker red variant, may cater to users who want their tech to blend or contrast with interior decor. Perhaps the most transformative rumor revolves around a dedicated home-focused operating system. Apple is reportedly building a platform often referred to as HomeOS, designed specifically for managing smart home ecosystems. In this vision, the HomePod Mini 2 is not merely an accessory, but the central node. Acting as a powerful thread border router and Matter controller, it could orchestrate lights, thermostats, locks, and cameras with greater reliability than ever before. Instead of juggling multiple hubs from different brands, homeowners would rely on a single, unified brain. Matter support is especially important. As smart home standards converge, interoperability becomes critical. The new speaker would not only control Apple-native accessories, but also coordinate third-party devices across brands. Stability improves, setup becomes easier, and daily automation flows without friction. In many ways, the HomePod Mini 2 could become the invisible backbone of modern households. Launch timing appears to align with inventory patterns. Retailers have reportedly seen fluctuating stock levels of the current model, a common precursor to new releases. If projections hold true, the first half of 2026 could mark its debut. Pricing strategy will be key. The original $99 price point was aggressive and helped drive mass adoption. Maintaining that price, while delivering a significant hardware upgrade, would position the HomePod Mini 2 as one of the best value propositions in Apple's lineup. Imagine getting advanced AI processing, Wi-Fi 6E connectivity, refined spatial audio, and enhanced privacy for under $100. That combination could make it the most popular Apple accessory of the year. For students setting up dorm rooms, families building connected homes, or professionals upgrading their office setups, the appeal would be universal. Beyond the specs, the real story is about experience. Technology fades into the background when it works flawlessly. A truly smart home is one where lights respond instantly, music adapts to your mood, and voice commands feel conversational rather than mechanical. By upgrading the chip, expanding wireless capabilities, and deepening ecosystem integration, Apple appears poised to close the gap between promise and reality. The jump from the aging S5 processor to a modern S10 class chip is not cosmetic. It is foundational. It enables faster Siri responses, more accurate on-device processing, and richer computational audio. It lays the groundwork for future AI features that may roll out through software updates over the next several years. In that sense, buying the HomePod Mini 2 would not just be about enjoying current capabilities, but about investing in a platform designed to evolve. For anyone serious about building a responsive, private, and immersive smart home, this upgrade could feel mandatory rather than optional. The original Mini was a breakthrough in delivering big sound from a tiny package. The sequel aims to redefine intelligence within that same footprint. As the smart home market grows more competitive, delivering this level of refinement at an accessible price could cement Apple's dominance in compact speakers. When the device finally lands on shelves, early adopters will likely test its sound performance, Siri responsiveness, and multi-room stability in real-world scenarios. But based on the leaks and projections so far, expectations are sky-high. If Apple executes as rumored, the HomePod Mini 2 will not merely replace its predecessor. It will render it obsolete. The future of the smart home is not about adding more gadgets. It is about making the ones you have smarter, faster, and more intuitive. In that mission, The HomePod Mini 2 stands poised to become the beating heart of connected living, delivering an experience that feels effortless, immediate, and deeply integrated into everyday life.